Welcome back to the channel. If you are a Deriv trader looking to move away from manual charts and emotional trading, you are in the right place. Today, I am excited to introduce you to PivotCore.net, a powerful automated trading platform specifically designed for the Deriv community. Many traders struggle with consistency because of human error or hesitation, but automation changes the game. In this video, I will show you how to leverage this platform to simplify your workflow and execute high-probability strategies without being glued to your screen all day. Today, we are focusing on one of my favorite setups, the 4 over, 5 under strategy. This is a digit-based strategy that relies on statistical probability rather than just luck. The goal is simple but effective. In this session, I've set a clear plan. I am going to place 10 trades with a target of winning at least 5 of them. By setting these specific targets, we maintain discipline and ensure that we don't overtrade. PivotCore allows you to set these parameters precisely, making it the perfect tool for traders who value a structured approach to the markets. Now, you might ask, why use PivotCore.net? The answer lies in its seamless integration with Deriv and its user-friendly interface. It's an auto trading solution that doesn't require you to be a master coder. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the platform gives you the speed and accuracy that manual trading simply can't match. It handles the execution for you, meaning your trades are placed at the exact millisecond your conditions are met. This level of precision is exactly what you need when dealing with volatile synthetic indices and digit contracts. As we watch the bot run through the 10 trades, notice how the 4 over, 5 under logic is applied consistently. There's no fear, no greed, just the algorithm doing its job. By aiming for a 50% win rate in this specific setup, we're looking at how a controlled strategy can lead to steady growth. PivotCore provides real-time feedback, so you can see exactly how your strategy is performing. Seeing the bot hit those targets live is the best proof of why automated trading is the future for Deriv users. If you are tired of the stress of manual trading and want to start trading like a professional, I highly recommend checking out PivotCore.net. It has completely transformed the way I approach the Deriv markets. Don't just take my word for it. Head over to the site, explore the features, and try